Now, this for the solo part. By the way, hello guys, how are you doing? Now, for the solo part, this is how you play the solo part. We are still in the key of E. Come to shape 3. Shape 3 with a 1 chord. You know shape 3. Shape 3, shape 3, shape 3. Shape 3, shape 3, shape 3. Shape 3, shape 3, shape 3. You know that shape, alright? So, without explaining, I just want you to play these notes. I just tell you where to pick. Okay, so shape 3, fret number 12, play string 1, E note. Fret number 11, play string 1, E sharp note. Fret number 9, I want you to play the C sharp or the D sharp note. So you have, we are done with that part. So fret number 9 still, I want you to play now string 2, which is the A sharp note. String 2, fret number 9, play string 2, which is the A sharp note. So you have, but I want you to pick it like this. So you have fret number 12, I want you to play the B note, string number 2. Fret number 12, play the B note, string number 2. Fret number 10, I want you to play the A note, string number 2. Fret number 10, I want you to play A note, string number 2. So you have, on the B note 12th fret, second string, I want you to pick it like, oh, only once. And then fret number 9, play string 2. And then fret number 11, play string number 3. Fret number 11, play string number 3. G sharp note. Fret number 11, play string number 3, G sharp note. So in total you have, that part. All right, so second step, I want you to repeat the same thing but now on different notes. Start with a different note. We started from an E note, 12th fret. Now I want you to start from an E sharp note, 11th fret. Yeah, now start with an E sharp note. Just repeat the same thing. Play E sharp note, D sharp note, B note, G sharp note, and then like this. Repeat. play that part. When you add it all together, okay, now there is this part that goes like this. I want to again come to fret number 9, shape 3 still. I want you to play string 2 and 3, just like that. String 2 and 3, fret number 9, and then bring back your shape 3. So if you play a shape 3, okay, I want you to this your third finger, remove it from the 4th string and place it on the 3rd string, 11th fret. Third finger, remove it from the 4th string and place it on the 3rd string, which is the G sharp note, 11th fret. So, and play string 2 and 3. Again, string 2 and 3. Again, string 2 and 3. So, 1 chord, 2 chord, 1 chord, string 2 and 3, 2 chord, play string 2 and 3, 1 chord, play string 2 and 3, play string 2 and 3. Okay? Are we together? So that is how you do that. The part where he sings, peleka mtoto shule apate elimu we, dunia sijui ilivyo, hivyo ndivyo ilivyo. Alright, so you've understood that part. Time is not on my side. This thing is very easy. Akwambia hii kitu ni rahisi sana. So the last but not least part, which key was I? Again, I want you to come to an octave higher, and high octave, the key of E, now without a power chord, the key of E, high octave, okay? I want you to play, just see, and not explain. When doing this, I'm playing, okay, let us count the phrase, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm playing the 19th fret, and then I'm playing the 17th fret, and then 19th fret I'm playing the string 2 and string 1, 19th fret. So string 19th fret string 1, 17th fret string 1, 19th fret string 2, 19th fret string 1. So just count the picks. Fret and then I want you to slide from 19th fret first string to 21st fret, the 21st fret first string, and then count the picks. Sorry. And then now 16th fret play string 1, 17th fret play string 2, which is an E note. You have time is up. Alright. So let me finish up like this. There is only one last part left. Okay. So don't forget to check your description. I've already